Hi everybody, my new Tagmore car rooftop cargo bag has just arrived and I'm so excited. That means we can go take some adventures. The snow's starting to melt and it is adventure season. So let's put it on the roof and check it out. This Tagmore cargo bag is amazing. It comes with a travel bag so it's easy to take with you, the bag itself, instructions, and an anti-slip mat so that it won't slip off your roof, and Velcro straps so you can attach it depending on what type of roof your car has. The zipper is incredible. The quality is incredible. It's 100% waterproof and it works in rain and snow. You don't have to worry at all about your interior items getting wet or dirty or anything like that. It's really, really easy to put onto your car as well. All you have to do is basically clip the pieces together and you are good to go. This bag fits so much. I am still astonished by how much it can really fit into it. It has 150-gallon rooftop capacity. It's 51 inches long by 39 inches wide and 17 inches high. And it can fit 4 to 6 suitcases, your luggage, your winter gear, your sleeping bags, blankets, so much. It makes camping a breeze. You can fit the entire family's gear into here and probably still have room to spare. The quality is incredible. It is just made of such a nice, durable quality, and you can really, really tell as soon as you touch it. It's lightweight, it's waterproof, it sits securely on your roof. You don't have to worry at all. It's made of heavy-duty materials and heat-welded seams. It's soft, so you can fill it as much as you need to, and it will just work really, really well and be really easy to put onto your car. It's awesome. Whether your car has a naked roof, has roof rails, raised or flush, roof baskets, roof crossbars, any type of rack system or not, you can get this to work onto your car. So it's really, really nice and really works really well. So it also would make a great gift, especially if you have adventuresome people in your life that like to travel. This soft roof rack is so easy to assemble and holds so much stuff. Like, I feel like I could have fit weeks worth of things in here and it would have been so helpful when I moved last time. So I definitely recommend this, especially if you're excited to go head out on adventures this summer and you're getting ready to hit the road.